Greener grass grows where wildfires fertilize. With ashes and sparrows, pepper moss and butterflies, ghosts of trees and termites playing the beanstalk. And if you cannot have it once standing too fast, it's a function of the weight of our seeds and past. Salt deposits warm little rivers that thirst from our words. Goes crying, ain't gonna change a thing. She said, take care, but I take more than I bring. She said, it just feels in you, made to lose this much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love. The seasons of cicada days we can't make up. I know it just feels in you, made to lose this much. That's not the lyric, it's Julie's fault. I'm reservated under ceiling stars that were open in the dark, hanging over queen size, purple waves of ancient chemicals just whisper. We're built with those endangered bones, so well the ground looks soft enough to bear this now. Please, oh no. And my sponsor said, do nothing, and nothing works. And then my doctor said, don't do that if it hurts. She said, it just feels in you, made to lose this much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love. She said, at the seasons of cicada days we can't make up. I know it just feels in you, made to lose this much. Let all my red flags fade to white, yeah, I give up. Don't let me leave, I'll only take more than I gave. I'll go back my stuff here at the end of days. My God, what have I done? Christ, and now it feels dead in you, made to get I dreamed of. Coming back in verse if you work it so work your worth that you want. If you don't, do one day at a time. Tomorrow's too late. Amen.